clients do suffer with a bit of flooding in this area.
That's a great way of getting water away from your garden. So I'll do a rough mark out with a load of pins and lines just so I can get these in the right place.
Hi guys, welcome along to day 2 of our build. Today we're going to be marking out the footings on site. We're also going to be digging a French drain, so we'll show you all that footage throughout the day too. Stay tuned and enjoy the show. So what we're doing here, we're going to be putting in a small section of soakaway. The clients do suffer with a bit of flooding in this area, a lot of groundwater. So we're going to put a French drain in along here, which is going to go down there, and then that will go into the main soakaway that we're going to put down near the house. So I'm just getting this marked out. We're going to use a 600 bucket, run this down. We're going to put some weed membrane in that, then put in a perforated pipe, a 4-inch perforated pipe, cover that with some weed membrane again, and then it'll be topped off with topsoil. And then obviously the grass will be put back down, and that will help with drainage. So while this is going on, then we can get all the footings marked out and carry on with the dig. So the guys have finished the trench. That is looking good. Bottomed it all out so it's nice and flat. Next up, the membrane over there. We'll go in and line this. Then the pipe will sit in there. Then it'll be wrapped with some more membrane, and then we'll get the gravel in there, the 20mm ag, and then it'll be topped off with topsoil, ready for draining.
What we're going to do is run this perforated 4-inch pipe. Look, you can see it's got loads of little holes in it, you see it all there. And what that does, all the water then soaks through the 20mm ag, takes all the water, line water on the top of the lawn, seeps through the 20mm ag, goes into the pipe, then runs off then to a silt trap. What will happen, the silt trap then runs then into the soakaway, because I don't want all the silt going into the soakaway. So what we're going to do is lay this in, but you can imagine that free space of water. That's a great way of getting water away from your garden. So we're now going to start to mark out the extension. So this is the existing part of the building here. Now what we're going to do, as I normally do, we're going to set out all of these crossbars, and what we do, put a crossbar here, another crossbar there, and then we'll then string all the lines and set it all out. But what I'll do is I'll do a rough mark out with a load of pins and lines just so I can get these in the right place and do the relevant measurements. We've got the outline of the building just roughly set out. John's just going to bang the pegs in, and we're going to put the boards in so we can then actually start them tapping the nails in and setting the actual cavity walls, and then we can then start to check diagonals. So you can see here we've got this wall running through here, guys, big section here, so that's why we're putting a timber across here. The other thing we will do is we'll then put a timber from this position here, we'll actually run it across here, and that'll pick up that wall there, it'll pick up this wall here as well. So as we're crossing lines all the way across, it's going to match beautifully, and you'll see this process being done.
Good there, that's good there. Yeah, it's good, mate. It's going to stay on. Okay, so you want it, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. So that now is beautiful, 90 degrees to there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a line so it comes straight off here, and we're going to fix it through and cast the line straight through to there, off this point over to here, and we're going to run it all the way through right over to there and get an absolute line through beautifully.
So that is it, day 2 is done. All we're doing now is clearing up and we're going home. So thanks for watching us today and we'll see you tomorrow.
It's the 3rd day on our new job. Today it's just me and Ollie here as John and Tony are away doing some training. So what we're going to be doing is carrying on with the French drain down here, getting that all finished off. After that we're going to move on to digging the footings for the new extension. Ollie's just gone to pick up some stones, so I'm just waiting on him to come back so I can carry on doing this. Like I said, the other guys are away, so I'll be keeping you updated today. Cheers, guys. We've entombed the perforated pipe in the bottom of the French drain. So what we need to do is just make sure that the stone on top of it is up to level as well. Just checking back in, guys, we've nearly finished our French drain here. All of the gravel's up to level, leaving 100 mil on the surface, ready for the earth to be put back on top. In the distance over there, you can see Ollie working away, digging our footings. That's where I'm going to get the ground put on top of here. Alright guys, just thought I'd catch you up on what we've been doing today. It's been a very productive day here. We've finished off our French drain over there. It literally just needs that last, well, the final layer, which is the topsoil. We have started our footings, coming off the building behind me, going around. As you can see from all of the yellow lines that are still here, we've still got a little way to go. This is some real solid stuff that we're working through here. It's about time to start clearing the site now, ready for day 4 on the job. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. My name's Joe, you've been watching Build with A&E. See you later.